So today I'm going to tell you how to upload a lookalike audience in Facebook. So you'll go to your business manager by typing in business.facebook.com and then clicking this business manager. Usually just this first column shows up and it's gray, and your most common items end up showing up there. But if you click all tools, then everything will show up. You go to assets and so you go to assets and then audiences, and then you'll get a list of the audiences that you've already generated. But since you want to upload a new lookalike audience, you go create audience, lookalike, and then your lookalike source could be custom audience or custom audience with LTV. LTV stands for lifetime value, and that would be something that you would run if you wanted to measure people and make Facebook more likely to send you people who spend a lot more money with you. So you would need sales history in order to do with LTV. So here we're going to use a customer list, and this is the email addresses. We're a company who sells furniture, and so we're going to so no, it doesn't have a column for customer value. That would be the LTV, but we're going to upload that list of people who've ordered swatches from us. So you go to create audience, and then I just downloaded this list in Excel. I'm not going to show it to you just because I want to keep people's information safe, but you can, copy, CSV or whatever. You could export your Excel to CSV. Or you can copy and paste the values. So then you name your audience. So you want this to be as descriptive as possible. So it's swatch orders up to February 11, 2020. Usually I add the date because, you want to have some sense of anything that doesn't automatically repopulate, like website visitors. You want to add the date so that you know when you need to reload those. And then you just can describe it if you want. Everyone who ordered swatches from us until Feb 2020. Feb 11, 2020. And then you click next, and then it will show you what is mapped or not mapped. Of course, it did email automatically. We want to upload. So one weird thing is they have first name and last name. I can, if you want to request it, I will include something about how to separate first and last name if you have an Excel sheet that has both. So you can generate a custom thing if you want, like a custom spreadsheet. So I just matched city. And of course, the more information that you have about people, the more likely Facebook is going to be to go ahead and, match those people. The match rate right now is about 71%. So let's see. Let's also do zip code. And you can, so right now it says we have 4 columns mapped: the email, the city, the state, and the zip code. And then we'll upload and create. So this takes a little bit of time on Facebook's part. Shouldn't take more than, 30 seconds. And then your next steps are to create an ad directly from this audience. So that would be targeting all of those people. So that in this case, the 11,618 people. In this case, I want to create a lookalike audience. So right now I am learning that, or hearing that 2 and 3% are working really well. And what this audience size or percentage means is how far Facebook is sort of expanding that interest from you or from that list. So if it's 1%, it's people who look very, very, very similar to the people who you uploaded. If it's 10%, then Facebook has a lot more liberty. And in an ideal world, I'm constantly A/B testing these audiences, switching these audiences out, seeing how they work. But for the purposes of this, I'm going to leave it at a 2 or 3% just for by default if you don't have very much, kind of like liberty there. And then you can also select a location. We only ship to the United States, so I am going to go ahead and create that audience for US only. So then after you hit save, you see that your lookalike audience is here and it's populating, and you can see where it's created, but I like to keep that date there. So we have that lookalike US, and then the rule, and that it's a custom audience. So then you can go ahead and use that audience in any one of your campaigns. Later on, you can see whether that audience was used in the past. So you can see here, it hasn't been used in a campaign or ad set. That will change as soon as I create and match this with a campaign and ad set. If you have questions about custom audiences, drop them in the comments. I'd be happy to help you. Even jump on a on a call or screen share with you directly. Just let me know. All right, thanks. Bye.